the power of local SEO for property managers. Are you a small business owner? Let's explore how local SEO can transform your visibility and customer connections. Understanding local SEO. Local SEO is the practice of optimizing your online presence to attract more business from relevant local searches. It's not just about being found, it's about being found by the right people at the right time. The importance of Google Business Profile. Make sure your Google Business Profile is not just created, but optimized. This is your ticket to appearing in local map searches, a critical spot for potential customers. Beyond Google, don't forget to leverage social media platforms. Share updates, promotions, or customer testimonials to widen your reach. Building local links. Consider partnerships with local organizations or sponsorships in community events to create valuable backlinks. These connections enhance your authority and visibility. Using analytics for growth. Keep track of your local SEO performance, used to analyze traffic, leads, and customer behavior. This data is essential for tweaking your strategy. Conclusion: embrace the power of local SEO. It's not just about numbers, it's about building lasting relationships with your community. Boosting your strategy with ClearLead Local. Unlock your potential with ClearLead Local. Our platform helps you manage your local SEO efforts efficiently, providing insights and tools to keep you ahead of the competition. Tailored strategies ensure your business becomes a local favorite. Leverage the power of local SEO for your business. Boost your local presence today with ClearLead Digital. ClearLeadDigital.com.